Hello my Bella babes, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shannon B for Brown Girl Bella, as always bringing you lips, lashes, and luxury. Today I thought I would break down for you another Bella Bites, and this bite-sized morsel is how to do your eyebrows. So let's get started. Brown Girl Bella. So first we're going to take our favorite eyebrow pencil. This one is Benefit Precisely My Brows, which I love. It has a spoolie on one side and then the product on the other side, which you can screw up to your desired point. I take that spoolie end and first I whisk up my lashes just so I can see where the sparseness is so that I can fill those in with the pencil. Next, I'm going to take the other side where the pencil is and I'm going to draw a line right underneath the base of my brow. I'm going to take the spoolie again, and from the base of the brow where I drew that line, I'm going to flick the product upwards to the brow. Any areas that is still sparse, I take my pen and I flick lightly upward wherever it's sparse. Fill in that tail, and there you have it, perfectly filled in brows. Now I'm just going to put a little balm on the lips. For lip balm, I'm going to use the Dior. This is the Lip Glow Color Reviver Balm. And again, it has a little twist at the bottom, so you can bring up just the right amount of product for your lips. And now you're ready to walk out the door. You have some balm on your lips and you have your brows already set. You're ready to go do your errands or whatever you need to do for the day. Now, you have just been Bellafied.